Here I have CAT S41 and let me show you how to accomplish the wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you have to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Let me show you. Keep holding both keys. And release them as soon as CAT logo pops up on the screen. Wait for the recovery mode. And this is the Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power button. Let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power key to choose it. The device is wiping cache, formatting the temporary cache files, and now the Android system recovery pops up again on the screen. Let's just simply press power key to reboot system now. The device is restarting and rebooting. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the operation will be done. Excellent, now you can unlock the screen and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.